Maybe if you are a motorsport guy, stay tuned if you like to see some realistic pics from some places on the Isle of Man TT. Enjoy the ride. First we scan Glen Helen section, second is Ballaugh Bridge, number 3 we scan the motorbike for you, what is also amazing view. 4 we send something on the island what is maybe not related to motorsports. I think we are the first who done it in the world. So that's spot number 2 here. I think everybody who is motorsport, they can see it. This is the Ballaugh Bridge and I tried for you to move. So at first we have to turn right. So because if you are a motorcycle rider, you will coming from somewhere here. So let us fly in. You're coming from this direction, and now we move to the motorcycle view. So that is what you can see as rider if you are coming here. So that is the Ballaugh Bridge. So you have to go about here. So and then you can see that's really like a huge. Like a huge jump over the bridge. So, and then you landing here. So here on the left-hand side, people are staying, and then on the right-hand side here, people also staying. And if you are here, then you speed up and then go direction to Ramsey. Glen Helen, you see it here. If you've been there or you watch races, YouTube, you will definitely see this action. You come here from the lower bank section here, and then you arrive here in this corner. If you're coming with your motorcycle and you're not going like me in the left light, you will go then more in this direction here. And if you left here, that was the last area, you leave the area to Sarah Cottage, and yeah, and I will fly back for you, so you maybe have another option. If you are a spectator, that's interesting. If you're not only the motorcycle rider, then you can stay here, and that's definitely what you will see if you are watching this location. So maybe plan your trip and go. So and then we moved to the next location. Let us jump in the SWAN Triumph Trooper Racing tent. So we already now in the tent. So that's I done this during the practice time this week, and I think I be done this one bike because I think this one bike was finished. So we go close to this bike. I think that's the Super Sport bike, and you can see here we have here the new Swan design for 26. You see also here our logo, about the PHR logo, other sponsors. And let us move here, and then you can have a look how it looks like if you are sitting on the bike. I think I already get an option to can sit. There was some improvement of the seating, so Pierre wasn't really happy with the seat, so he tried different points out. And I had also option to sitting, and he asked me what is more comfortable, but I don't know if my experience really matters. So, but you can see here we have the bike, and you can watch really, you can really see details. So it looks here like the nice K-Tech fork and the Brembo systems. So we already taken this for you, and you can also see it was a little bit busy here in the tent. You see we had here also the Swan bikes from Peter Hickman was under preparation, so I don't scan it. We don't want to show too much details. Thing here is the sport bike from Peter, so we can move a little bit to the sport bike. So I see it here, having also some from this Triumph sport bike, and there we had the Trooper bikes and the BMW from here, Barry Burrell. So that was the rider, Peter Hickman, Pierre-Yves, Barry Burrell, and David Todd. Unfortunately, he been there, but he wasn't able to race. So see here, that's the location from SWAN Racing. I think with this, we are done with motorsport, but we move to the next data set from the touristic point. Yeah, and this location with light you can see here is a location where you can usually see seals. Also if you like to watch some seals, you have the option, but don't leave these restricted, don't go in this restricted area. But we have a check here from this light tower. It was a nice place, was beautiful. So, and with Cold Blinky, we are at the end of this video, but I hope that we can do afterwards maybe another video with Pierre, and where he's speaking about his TT and his his feelings, his impressions from his TT on the rider's perspective is maybe super interesting for you. And don't forget this, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, give me a like. I say bye-bye, Eric, until the maybe racing video.